how to find tracking number from confirmation email. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up to exactly do so. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. We can start by going to kohls.com for that, and if we are not logged in, we can log in. And you can usually look out for it in your profile, the status. Otherwise, what we can do is we can open up an email inbox. So you can go to your gmail.com and look out for email from Kohl, and subject usually should say your order has been shipped. Something like this is the one you will be needing, and the order confirmation email usually does not have a tracking number. Sometimes you can just go and check it out this way. And also, once your order has been shipped, you can look out for another email that will look out for track package button. Inside there, you can find that option and you will be seeing the tracking number. And that's it. You just need to search for your email for Kohl's shipped tracking, and you can check your spam or junk folder as well, and wait, tracking only appears after shipment. And that's it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.